So this is the local transport which people use to go to the mountain. This is the Girnar mountain. Early morning we have reached at 5 o'clock, and this is the starting point. You can't see the mountain, but you can see the light which is up there, that is on the mountain. So that's how it starts. Now there is a ropeway work is going on at Mount Girnar. So all those who can't climb, they can go via. So these people are taking up this luggage up because of that work. So these are the guys who are going up at the mountain. Forest range from where we can go to Bordevi. It's a track in the forest, and that is the check post from where you can go around a 10 kilometers trek. And from here there is Velnath, who is a saint. So this goes up there at Velnath Bapu's place. But after certain steps, you have to take left track. So it's climbing, hiking, and trekking. All includes. That also goes from all the way via mountain steps, but there is a diversion from where you have to go to Velnathji. So that's all about. We are starting this trek and climbing on the mountain right away. See you there. We are three people. So we have a mountaineer. This is Hanuman temple on the way. And here, this is a nice temple. People get up early in the morning here. So you can see that it's very dark. So I'm closing off. It's early morning. People are climbing up. These are the steps. And you can see the mountain up. It's a beautiful early morning. We can see around. Moving up there. And I'm carrying 2 bags of my team. Here they are climbing up with the bricks, helping this lady so she get rest. It's a beautiful place around. You can see that view around from the top mountain. These are all people climbing up, and these are the steps available at Mount, but we are going a different place for trek. So after few steps we'll just change our route, not the normal route.
8 દિવસે પેમેન્ટ મળે એમ તો આપણે 8 દિયા હજી ડોક્ટર દીદી
She is the one who is doing labor work on daily basis. She gets 350 bucks for 4 bricks, and every 8 days she gets salary. So that's how they are climbing up every day once. So it's their bread and butter all the way. And you can see around from the other side of the mountain. The top view of the city. The clouds, beautiful clouds, nicely playing with the mountains, because this is the time when the clouds and the mountains meet nicely. This is the nature which has its own way to deal with and do something for humankind. So that's all about. People are now going back. So we can stay on the mountain as well, provided you know where to stay, where to eat, and where to spend night, and what to carry. Hey bhai, ઉપર જઈને આપજો. હા, ઉપર જઈને આપજો બાપા, ઉપર જઈને આપજો. બાકી
મારે એના હાથમાં દેવું, એક મને દેવો તમે દાદા.
અરે જો ભલા મને બધા એક એક આપવા મળો, એક એક આપવા. એ બાજુમાં 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 લાવો લાવો. એ બાજુમાં લઈ આવો. બધાય બધાય નહીં.
હા મમ્મી, હા હા, હું તો બસ ફઈ બોલે જ. હા હા, મેં કીધું 100 પગથ છે તો આવી ગઈ. 1 કલાકમાં ઘરે આવી ગઈ. હા હા.
this is nice, beautiful views. You can see that. It's amazing. And the other side of the valley, that is the mountain. So you just keep looking at the mountain and climbing up. That gives you energy. It's Devi temple. So Devi is symbol of energy, the Shakti. That's how you get energy to climb up. Just look up and keep climbing, and look down, keep inspiring yourself that you have reached to a nice level. It's a beautiful view of the valley. Yeah, so you can just see around, nice beautiful view. You are talking to the clouds are below you, the nice top view of the city and the forest. So people are talking, making noise around, and this is the nice forest, deep forest, where all the animals, birds are also living. So nice, beautiful view. Stay connected. So we have reached to 2000 steps on the mountain Girnar. You can see behind me, it's written 2000. Now we are moving towards this place. It's written Velnarji Bapu is a place. It's in the forest they do some tapas and sadhana and all that. So we are 6 people moving towards Velnarji. There's 3 kids and we 3. So now the vulture, you can see they have their own nest in this side because of the ropeway. They have made their nest the other side because they fly high, and this ropeway cable are under construction, so they change their nest. So only this mountain, this type of vulture, we call it Girnari Gid. It's available this side. Now we are moving towards this deep forest side. You can see the track, which is now rough track. We were climbing through these steps. Now
Are you guys waiting
there
here
are
for a
no
minute? If I can have a little bit of water,
uh,
please.
steps. It's a rough track all the way to this saint's place called Velnaji. Moving towards the deep forest. So we are
This is a
moving
rock we have to slide down to.
towards the place which you can see on the mountain. I'll just zoom in for you. That is the place we are moving ahead on the top of the edge of the mountain. The other side there is only rough track. You can see, you can't even see the proper track. So 6 of us, we are moving ahead.
Moving. Watch your step, guys.
So it's not everyone's cup of tea to go there. You require certain guidance, certain known people with you. So we have one mountaineer with us. So with them we are moving ahead. You can see the top view, nice flowers. So we are in deep forest, and you can see me. This is the track, a beautiful place, very secluded place in the forest where we are moving in this. So this type of tracks, stones on the way which you have to climb up. The running water from the mountain all the way down. You can see around in the deep forest there is one temple where we are moving ahead. You can see the mountain up, the other side of the mountain in the deep forest. A saint who is doing lot of tapas on the mountain somewhere there where we are moving ahead. Now you can see this beautiful view.
है ना? और मैं तो पहाड़ तो उतरवानी मजा होती है. उतरवानी
ચડવાની મજા આવે
You
ને
can
મને
see
ત્યાંથી
this.
ચડીને ઉડવાની મજા આવે.
Now the ropeway cable,
पैराग्लाइडर पण છે.
it's the biggest challenge here.
She's also
All the way long
so
pillars.
pilot actually, right? That's how it
Asia's #1 longest ropeway trial is going on. They put 450 kg to carry that. So you can see the mountain where we have climbed up. You can see around. This is the track from where we have come up, and this is the place where we are going towards on the mountain. This side there are many saints, sadhus, and Naga Babas are doing tapas in all these mountains, caves. There are many caves. We are going towards one of the cave. So this is the place where we have reached. It's a Velnath temple where a saint who took samadhi here, and this is where he used to do yajna. So this is the temple,
but
of
yeah. Yeah, you know that they are
on the
most
mountain.
in the world, right?
You can see a little inside.
If you're really comparing me with those people. Because honesty comes first for me.
Jai Velnath Mahadev Har. This is the
ના 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 બેઠા અહીંયા આપણે લાઈવ જવાનું
place where one can climb and do mountaineering with
માઉન્ટેન ગર્લમાં જ લાઈવ કરી
equipments and a trainer. Without that, it is totally risky of life. And that is the mountain up Mount Girnar. So this side, professionals are doing mountaineering, and this people along with us.
હા
So this is a top view of the city and the mountains around. You can see that clouds are giving shade on the mountain. It's middle of the forest, the lake, the top view city. Amazing place. On the place mountain where we are reaching here, resting on the stone of Mount Girnar. So clicking picture, enjoying this time.
ના મેં સાઉન્ડ વિશે બધા
You can see around.
I was about to make a sting operation somewhere, so I
So this is Mount Girnar, a beautiful Mount Girnar. You can climb up through steps. There are two ways to climb this mount. Now third way is rope way, which is starting soon.